3 beautiful gems in Bantayan Island that you must visit. Before we move on guys, planning to bring your car? We've got you covered with 2 Ro-Ro ship options, Super Shuttle and Island Shipping. Our personal experience proves Island Shipping is the winner, thanks to its speed, affordability, and comfortable interiors. Get ready for an unforgettable journey.
And we're here in the port of Bantayan Island. Da-da-da.
Hi! We're finally here in Bantayan!
Okay.
Welcome
This is the auntie of Santa Cruz, Santa Fe. Yeah, the auntie of Santa
Oh,
Cruz.
what's the window so cold?
Yay! Naabot ng Bantayan si Papa Rose! You also attend rainy. Your first
How
time
was
rain?
it? How's the feel? Still the same as before?
Rainy.
Little bit.
You?
There's more nature here than
There's more nature, of course. It's an island man. Oh, not the Prince Warehouse. Are you excited?
Yeah!
And your car blue also.
no emotion.
First gem, Ogtong Cave and the Ruins. Immerse yourself in a breathtaking wonderland of a natural freshwater cave adorned with a mesmerizing turquoise blue pool. Plunge into the crystal clear, revitalizing waters while the lush tropical embrace of vibrant vegetation envelops you. Descend the charming staircase, like a secret passage to paradise, as the tide reveals its aquatic playground. With a sprawling expanse of 100 meters in length and 30 meters in width, Ogtong Cave beckons adventurers seeking a truly unforgettable experience. And now the ruins in Bantayan Island are the remains of a German expat's house that was destroyed by Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. The house was built in the late 1990s and was abandoned by the owner in the early 2000s. The ruins have since become a popular tourist attraction, due to their unique and atmospheric setting. Another tips guys, listen up. If you're planning on swimming near the cliff in the ruins, watch out for the box jellyfish. They've made a few appearances already, and let me tell you, they're no joke. These sneaky creatures can pack a lethal sting. So, unless you're aiming for an adrenaline-filled encounter with the great beyond, I suggest you steer clear of them. Second gem, step right into the magical world of the Omagieca Obo-ob Mangrove Garden, nestled on the enchanting Bantayan Island. Prepare to be mesmerized as you enter this nature lover's paradise. The Omagieca Obo-ob Mangrove Garden is a hidden gem, brimming with lush greenery and captivating wildlife. Here, you'll embark on a unique journey, strolling along elevated wooden pathways that wind their way through the mangrove forest. These pathways offer you a front row seat to witness the wonders of nature unfold before your eyes. As you traverse the intricate network of mangrove trees, you'll be treated to a symphony of chirping birds, soothing rustling leaves, and gentle whispers of the sea breeze. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh, invigorating air and let the tranquil ambience wash over you.
There, you are not broken. Sakto gid din.
Bawal magdugay. Para di ka masawit.
Oh, but really,
Ah.
go here.
Picture mo da. Let's go for the mangrove tour. More ba sa Jurassic po na ito? Tagak kita nih. Kok bira-bira.
Fall down. How hard is that falling down? It's very hard.
Alright, there. Nara, kamsawi na. Oh, dali, picture na dali. Uy! Okay, we're here na guys sa Kamsawi. So, we arrived at Kamsawi. Oh, picture dyan rin. Bagi na sa mangrove. Nature feels. Mangrove tour in Bantayan. Hindot dari-dari ni gabi eh. Good no? So in the middle of the mangrove tour, there is snacks you can buy or food you can buy. And here's a kubo for picture and videos. Look at this video guys. Oh la la. Wow, right. Oh lala, look at the view. Nandun sa kuspuan na sa Singapore sa kon. You can samba here. It's cool. Kaya sila ang drink ko, balay-balay.
Travel tip again guys. As you can see, Papa Ron, Mama Div and the kids are already in the middle of the mangrove tour. This mangrove garden is around 1 kilometer long. So you need to be well prepared with your body to finish this tour of the mangrove.
Lala, look at this. Tapos nindot kayo mag-jogging dito guys. Bula pwede ba mag-jogging? So we are in between the sea and the mangrove waters. You can see. Wagi na. We're here in the Camp Wagi. We achieved the goal. Oh la la, look at the view. We are in Camp Wagi guys. Waging-wagi na kami. Alright. We are at Omagieca Camp Wagi. And look at the view. Oh la la. Oh, nakawa na.
Oh boy, God.
Oh, iya. Mura tag nasa Japanese or sa bani. This is the mangrove tunnel. Ng mga decoration. Travel is life. And voila, we're at the end of the tour of our mangrove. It's quite long, so guys. Takes a couple of minutes to finish all.
Third gem, welcome to the stunning Santa Fe beaches of Bantayan Island, a tropical paradise that will leave you breathless. Get ready to dive into crystal clear turquoise waters, feel the powdery white sand between your toes, and soak up the sun in style. Santa Fe beaches boast some of the most picturesque and pristine shorelines you'll ever encounter. With their postcard perfect beauty, these beaches are a haven for beach lovers and sunseekers alike. Picture yourself lounging under swaying palm trees, sipping on a refreshing coconut drink while gazing out at the azure horizon. It's pure bliss. But the fun doesn't stop there. Santa Fe beaches offer an array of exciting water activities for thrill seekers. From snorkeling and scuba diving to kayaking and paddleboarding, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Dive into the vibrant underwater world and discover a mesmerizing array of marine life, coral reefs, and hidden treasures. If you're craving a taste of local culture, take a stroll along the shoreline and immerse yourself in the vibrant beach atmosphere. Indulge in delicious seafood delicacies served at beachfront restaurants, mingle with friendly locals, and perhaps even join a lively game of beach volleyball. As the sun sets, Santa Fe beaches transform into a magical wonderland. Witness breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in a myriad of colors, creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Take a romantic sunset stroll with your loved one or gather with friends to celebrate the beauty of nature unfolding before your eyes. So pack your swimsuit, sunscreen, and a sense of adventure, and head to Santa Fe beaches on Bantayan Island. Get ready to create unforgettable memories, experience pure bliss, and fall head over heels for the breathtaking beauty of these tropical shores.
Okay, we're now leaving Bantayan Island. We're so lagom na. And we are with island shipping.
Yeah.
Dako na siya nga ruro.
We had a lot of fun here in Bantayan, but sadly we have to go now.
We have to go now. Right? And then this time,
Ha?
Lubag to, gamay.
Ngimay, dali.
that there's trucks and many
Yeah.
cars.
Yeah. We had a lot
And
of fun.
napag yung mga bata.
Does anybody have some fries?
Like french fries nila rin.
Does anybody have some food or snacks?
No.
Nope. We finished it all in the island.
Oops, di
Excuse me, but are you recording?
Yeah. Kuya is guiding us, and then LBC, hari ng padala. I would like to move it then.
Oh, that's so cute. How did you destroy that tree?